Hey guys, it's Paul again for Test Drive PH. So for the past few months, I've been thinking about upgrading my car tint as per the suggestion of my buddy James of Keep It Social Philippines. Also, my wife has been complaining that at times medyo mainit daw sa kotse kumpara dun sa ibang nasakyan niya. So I decided to upgrade the car tint and go with a ceramic tint. So heto na nga, papunta na tayo ng Ceramax sa Cavite to meet up with Sir Jet of Ceramax Philippines. And in this video, we're gonna learn more about the advantages of the ceramic tint versus the traditional Casa tint. And by the end, I will tell you what I think about the Ceramax Nano Ceramic Films. So make sure that you're already subscribed to the channel, and let's start with the video.
Ayun guys, konting background lang. So, doon sa Coolray kasi, medyo mainit. So, I've had it like for like mga 2 years na. Lagi nagrereklamo yung team ko and also yung wife ko kasi ano lang, medyo galing lang kasi sa Casa yung tint lang namin. So, yun. So, nagkonting research. Tapos ito, nakita ko nga yung Ceramax. Tapos ito, ayun na, piniem ko kagad si Sir Jet dito. So sir, ayun, nag-usap naman kami. So guys, yun, I'm gonna have my tint upgraded. So ano yun sir, yung ano? So, sa harap is, kasi gusto
yung
medyo light
So yung lightest natin, ang choices mo sir is light dark, which is yung 35 yung visual light transmission niya, or yung clear blue na 70% light transmission. So ito parang wala kang tint. Oo, pero at the same time meron kang meron kang infrared rejection or heat rejection talaga sa na wala pupasok na init sa dash. Oo.
Kasi siyempre, these days kasi guys, diba, sobrang init na, and then hindi lang maiitim ka di talaga madadami.
Tsaka yun yung ang masama kasi doon, yung aside from the infrared heat, yung UV or yung ultraviolet rays na nagko-cause sa skin cancer.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
So yun. Ang pwede natin kasing kaya ko nare-recommend ko din is yung light dark kasi nakakabawa siya ng glare sa araw at saka sa gabi, yung mga oncoming traffic.
Yun tama yung glare kasi katulad ko na yan guys, so sa salamin ako, lalo na kapag maulan, di ba? So lalo kapag maulan, yung glare kasi yun. So yun, okay.
So ako, personally kasi ako medyo mahina rin mata ko sa gabi. So ako ang ginagamit ko is yung light dark.
Okay, alright. So yun guys, kasi kunting upgrade lang. Hindi ko na nga na-upgrade yung sasakyan ko, pero this is actually my first upgrade.
Pero ang maganda rin dito sir, kasi dati yung ibang mga tint, pagka dumidilim or naglo-lower yung visual light transmission, mas dumidilim siya, tsaka at the same time mas siya lumalamig. Pero sa atin dito sa Ceramax kasi regardless sa shade, from lightest to the darkest is 99. So hindi mo mapipil yung difference. So kahit clear blue ka, 99 heat rejection.
Okay, ganun na pala ngayon kasi sa akin guys, just like I said earlier, galing na sa Casa, so I don't know about the I don't even know the name So I don't even know kung para lang konting upgrade. So lalo na yung ganyan. So it's nice to know na ito lahat 99%. 99%. Then itong clear blue okay din siya for night, and then ito may at least yung light dark, that's what I've chosen for today, itong light dark na 35%. Ganyan, sige yun. Excited ako para naman ito yung kasama ko. Ito yung kasama ko sa team. Yan. Isa lang siya dun sa medyo nainitan pag may shoot ka.
Ayan. Init Kailangan talaga magpalagay ng ceramic ni Paul.
Wala kasi hindi ko alam
Wala kasing tint.
Wala kasing tint talaga.
Ayan, kaya saktong-sakto sa kanya to. Kasi hindi ganun ka dilim from the inside, visible yung outside. Tapos nag-reject ng heat. Kaya pasalamat talaga at sinunod mo tong advice ko.
Oo nga. So sir, ano bang steps kung halimbawa ito meron na akong tint, so tatanggalin muna siya?
So yung first step namin is syempre lalagyan muna namin ng cover yung mga dash, yung mga seats. Then yung mga possible na magkaroon na pasukan ng tubig, tatakpan din namin siya. Then after that, doon na namin umpisahan yung process ng pagtatanggal ng tint.
Okay. Alright. Okay. So guys, I don't know if you've noticed, this studio looks familiar, Kasi, today, we have the one and only RIT, Sir Ryan.
Hello!
Hello.
Good morning sa inyong lahat ng nanonood. Oy, pag nanonood kayo ngayon, huwag niyong kalimutan, mag-subscribe kayo ha. Test
Ayan.
diba?
Sinabihan na kayo ha. Sinabihan kayo, dapat susunod kayo ha.
Oo, tsaka huwag niyo rin kalimutan. RIT Riding in Tandem, syempre.
Of course.
Ay, oo nga pala, magkukulab kami ha. Kaya abangan niyo na rin yung video sa channel namin. So, makikita niyo na lang yung topic sa mga susunod na araw.
At least guys, mas legit dito. Oh. Kapag nandun ka sa Balawi, nandun ka lang sa kanto.
Oo, sa ano.
Pag nasa Banawi ka, di ba pagkakalsada, tapos nag-blow yung hangin.
Oo. Oo, pagkabit nila ng tint, narasado siya. Yun yung makita mo na pagka yung may mga dots na gano'n, yun yung dumi. Which is sa amin, back job na yun. Ano na yun, no na yun. Papalitan na namin kaagad. So, maganda talaga pagka enclose yung location.
Sir Jet, ano to? Pansin ko to ha. What's that?
So ito yung isa sa mga namin sa mga instrument namin na pangsukat ng visual light transmission, infrared rejection, tsaka yung UV rejection.
Oh, wow.
So ang nangyayari diyan,
Numbers,
iipit namin siya. Oh.
Okay.
So ito yung current tint mo sa nagaling sa kasa. Bali ang classification niya pag i-compare mo sa tint namin is yung dark, which is yung 15% namin.
Okay.
Then yung IRR or infrared rejection niya is 64% lang.
64 lang. Wow, okay.
So ito, may sample kami. Ito nga lang medium, pero yung ikakapit natin sa iyo mamaya is same dito, no? Yung dark. Pero ito medium lang to which is much lighter siya dito.
Okay.
So ito siya. So pagka nilagay natin siya dito, pag napapansin mo, yung UVR 100, IRR is 99.5. Which is i-compare mo dito 64 lang.
Tsaka, ang full doon is yun nga, 99. And then 64 lang. And then, kung wala masyadong difference, that's nice.
Oh. Kasi yung 30% na yun is napakalaking difference yung pagdating sa heat.
Oh, yeah.
Yun. Oo.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, sige.
Okay.
So at the moment guys, ito, si Kuya pinapattern niya muna. So kita niyo yan, no? So guys, just like yung sinabi sa akin ni Kuya, di ba mapansin nyo minsan kahit yung mga kahit yung mga bagong sasakyan, nagbabubbles na yung tint nila. Kasi usually yun sa quality na ng tint and yung sa workmanship kung sino yung gumawa.
So yun guys, of course si Kuya, he continued on removing the older tint and of course started applying the Ceramax ceramic tint. Here is Sir Jet to show us the differences from the older tint.
Yes sir, okay. Ito na tayo. Sir, nakabit na. So, anong change?
So, maliban do sa vision niya from the inside, bale mas clear siya compared do sa lumang tint, no? Then yung VLT or yung visual light transmission niya, mas maliwanag ng konti do sa previous. So, mas maliwanag siya ng 3% based dito sa transmission meter natin. Then, ang napakalaking difference dito is yung infrared rejection, which is in 99 nga. Kanina ata nasa around 60% ata, no? 64%. So, yun. Mas feel na yung mas hindi mo na feel yung init na galing sa araw.
Mas lalamig na basically,
Yes,
mas malamig na.
siya.
Mas effective na yung sa AC. Yan, okay.
Yan.
Okay.
Mas
That's
efficient
nice.
na yung cooling system ng kotse.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, alright. So yan guys, tingnan nyo. So yan guys di lang sabi-sabi yan may Metro 99%. 99% talaga. Look at that. Ooh.
And by the way guys, here's one thing that I really appreciated was this back to zero treatment that Ceramax gave for free, which basically removes foul odors and disinfects the interior of your car. So yeah, that's a really nice touch.
There you guys have it. Kakatapos na installation and it took mga 3 to 4 hours. So far, swabe naman yung pagkakabit. On the next part of this video, I'm gonna test this for a couple of days and I'll let you know how it goes.
So yun guys, it's been a couple of days na since I had the Ceramax tint installed. And you know what? Before I even considered upgrading, for me, tint wasn't such a big deal eh. Kumbaga for me, tint was tint eh. Kumbaga pare-parehas lang naman yun eh. I didn't really find it was such a big fuss eh. Pero buti na lang yung suggestion ni James of Keep It Social na yun, i-upgrade niya yung tint. I'm really happy with the results eh. Kasi kita niyo naman dito. So, it's an afternoon, hindi naman mas sobrang init, maghapon na. Pero maliwanag pa rin, no? Kasi tapos, syempre yung advantages pa, like for example, yung better UV protection from, I think they measured it was around 60%, and now I'm told na nasa 99% na siya, so that's pretty good. And then of course kung nakikita ko from the outside, mas madilim na siya, so mas mahirap na makita yung tao sa loob, which is good for privacy of course. And then the other is since mas okay nga yung yung protection niya, yung mas less na yung init sa loob, I don't have to crank up the AC so much. So mas okay yung performance ng AC, so it saves you with fuel, it's good for the environment, yung mga ganon. And for the price that you pay for, you get a lot. So really happy. I'm happy na to sort of realize that not all tints are created equal. So I definitely recommend itong Ceramax na tint. And really happy with that. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much again to Sir Jet of Ceramax. I'll be leaving his contact details on the description below. Thank you na rin kay Sir RM ng Riding in Tandem, also si James of Keep It Social. So this has been Paul again for Test Drive PH. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.